go down.
No way, guys! Oh, you guys know what I'm gonna be doing with these later. Look at this. I mean, Peril. I don't know if you guys knew this, but that's like, he's dangerous. Oh my goodness! I told you guys it was bound to happen eventually. Oh, that's how dangerous it is. What's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a super amazing day today, guys. I got hot sauce from Peril Hotsauce. Y ya la quiero abrir because it's a pretty big package, guys. A ver qué es lo que me mandaron, guys. Because if you guys look into their Instagram, like, it looks like they have like a band going on, a rock star band. So, ooh, child, look at this. Good. I got some shades, and you can be representing with their shades. Look at that. Peril Hotsauce. I'm gonna realize. See if they're a good fit for me. I should have worn green, guys. That is so cool. They almost look like they're glow in the dark. Watch, they are glow in the dark. Like, oh, that's so awesome. Look at that. Ooh, perfect for the sun right now, especialmente ahorita en el jardín. Oh yeah. Ooh, stickers. Like, it looks like a ton of stickers in here, guys. Ooh, vamos a ver. No way, guys. Oh, you guys know what I'm gonna be doing with these later. Look at this. Some zigzags. Yup, guys, be checking out my story because I'm gonna try them out. A ver cómo salen. That is so cool that you guys have this. Think you got the best trick. Oh, guys, look at that. Look at that. There's a QR code. I'm not sure if you guys can scan it from here, but all their information will be on the description box down below so that you guys can check them out. Look at this. Look at this. Like, this is their card. I don't know. You guys probably can't see it from here, but the lettering on it, it's like bolted out. That is so cool. These are so epically cool, guys. Like, wow. And these are the cards. Imagínate. Look, I got tons of stickers. That is so awesome. And here for the best part, guys, I got some hot sauces to try. Oh, nice. Look at this. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this epically cool logo. Like, it looks, I mean, Peril, I don't know if you guys knew this, but that's like, it means dangerous, like to watch out kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. Are they gonna be hot? Like, honestly, your guys' logo, like, they make me scared. Like, I don't know, guys. Let me read the ingredients on one of them. I don't know, green or purple. Which one should I do first? Should I just, you know what? I'm just gonna go for whichever one I picked up first. So let's try this one first. Let me put this one down, guys. I mean, the color on it, it looks good. It looks really good. It almost looks like a nice salsa de tomatillo. Like, simple, right? Vamos a ver the ingredients. It says the ingredients are jalapenos. Oh, jalapenos in a hot sauce. We're starting off great. Serranos con tomatillo. This just sounds like something I'd be making right now. Cilantro, infused vinegar, lime juice. Oh, infused, eh? Garlic salt, water, and xanthan gum. Honestly, guys, it's just really, really simple ingredients in this. But the logo, guys, the logo scares me. And you know, guys, I've tried some hot sauces de jalapeno that you'd be like, oh, jalapenos are not that hot. But when they add like 1,000 jalapenos in a hot sauce batch, like, they can be fire. I am lit does that, man, they're really hot. Okay, I probably can't. I don't want to mess this up, but you know what? I'm going to have to cut it. Let me get un cuchillo para abrirlo. I don't want to mess it up, guys. It looks so pretty. Look at this wax seal. Oh, Okay. Let me try and do this as nice as possible without cutting myself, guys. Oh my goodness. Ya me acordé. I told you guys it was bound to happen eventually. Oh, that's how dangerous it is. Okay, hold up, guys, hold up. I am going to try and cut this, but no puedo. Okay, guys, hold up. We'll be right back after these announcements. I'm just kidding. Ahí va. I was holding it the wrong way. It's my fault. It's just, I got so excited. Whew. Okay, we're going. Oh my goodness. Okay, I got it, guys. I got it. Let's open this up. Y vamos a ver a qué sabe. It's gonna be a dangerous one, eh? Okay, so it has a dripper stopper cap. And let me put this neck down before me corto la cara, because knowing me, how clumsy I am, you never know. You never know, guys. Oh my goodness. I can smell the cilantro, the tomatillo, the limon. Like, this just smells like something you'd be wanting to put it on tacos right away. Doesn't smell like it's super spicy, but it does smell very, very flavorful. Okay, vamos a probarla, guys. Let's look at this consistency. It has a nice, silky, smooth consistency. Y vamos a probarla. Oh, wow. Wow. The limon is really in there. It has a nice acidity. Saltiness is great. It's not overpowering. It's a mild sauce. It's great for tacos. Like, who doesn't love tacos, guys? And I'm not talking about like just certain types of tacos, like anything with the tortilla, really. Even on your quesadillas, on your nachos. Oh my goodness, I should probably put a band-aid on that. But it's alright, it's alright. Guys. Oh, this is good. This is really, really good. I don't even want to stop. It's not super spicy, I'm telling you guys. It just has a nice heat. This is something that everyone in your family can try. Even the people that say that, oh, I don't like spicy stuff. The added flavor that you get with this. Have you ever gone somewhere and you've gotten some bland tacos? Yeah, I've had those places. No, hombre, you put some of this on there and your tacos ain't gonna be bland no more. So good. Super delicious, guys. I don't know what was going on with your guys' logo. Like, it makes me want to be really scared. But it's really good. It's really flavorful. I was not expecting it to have this nice mild settledness into it. Wow, this one's amazing. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try the other one, guys. The other one, the ingredients are chilies, carrots, onion, ginger, garlic, red vinegar, lemon juice, salt, water, and xanthan gum. So are the chiles and the carrots combined together with the red wine vinegar, like giving it this nice color? I mean, look at this color, guys. Like, does that not look intimidating? And then again, nomás te dicen it's chilies. They're not telling you like, oh, it's Carolina Reapers or something like that. Like, you don't know. So vamos a abrirla and let's see how it tastes, because I'm telling you guys, their logos, they're so freaking amazing, but they scare you. Okay, so let's go ahead y vamos a abrir esta. Like, I almost want to just go up. Maybe I should go super slowly. Another one nomás estaba abriendo like that. Okay, we got this, guys. We got this. Okay, you know what? Can I twist it? Oh, no, I can't just twist it. It'd be nice if I can take it off without like messing up this wax seal, you know what I'm saying? Okay. I'm going slow porque ya me corté, no me quiero cortar otra vez, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Hey boy. De poquito a poquito, guys. How's your guys' weekend going? Oh my goodness, did you guys see those UFC fights? I know, they were so freaking amazing. The Black Beast won epically. He needed that win. I hope I see him back in the UFC again. Hopefully they give him another contract. But what do you guys say about Justin Gaethje, man? What an epic knockout. Okay, got it, guys. Vamos a poner el cuchillo para abajo y vamos a abrirla. A ver qué sabe esta. Let me take this restrictor cap off. Let me smell it. I like smelling my hot sauces. Some people are like, don't smell it because it could be just vinegar in your face and this and that. Man, I like to know what I'm getting myself into. You know what I'm saying? Oh, okay. This one smells a little more fire. The other one, you would just get the limon, the cilantro, the tomatillo into it. This one smells like the chiles might have been spicier, guys. And then again, like I said, we don't know what kind of chiles they were. So let's go ahead and try it and let's see if we can distinguish some of these chiles. Consistency, oh, guys, look at this consistency. Wow, it's beautiful. It's like silky smooth, but it still has a nice chunk into it. Like, Okay, you taste the sweetness from the carrots. Saltiness is great. it's hot. These ain't no regular chiles, guys. Ain't no like, no guajillo, none of that. This one's spicy. Oh, thank goodness I did this one second. Oh my goodness, this one's really, really spicy. I want to say they're at least like maybe a Carolina Reaper, maybe like red Savinas. A couple of red Savinas. I don't think they're ghost peppers because that heat, it hit right away. But the taste is amazing. Some eggs in the morning, this will wake you up, honestly. It is good. This is really good on some chicken. This is definitely, if you like heat, I wouldn't say it's for the faint of heart. Like, I feel like it's hot in my mouth, and this was only with 1 spoonful, guys, and it went to the back of my throat, and now my ears feel kind of like they're gonna turn red. Like, oh, this one's spicy. Like, it almost has like my lips like wanting to tingle already. But the flavor is great. You know, not a lot of hot sauce companies can get a great flavor with such a spicy hot sauce. It's more like the heat just takes over and that's all you get. No, you get all the flavors, but it's hot. This one is definitely hot. So for all you pepper heads out there that like heat, definitely recommend this one, guys. All their information will be down in the description box below, so you guys can check them out and go take a look into their Instagram, their website. It's good. But I think I need some chips, guys, because ooh, just like that, man, it definitely has like my mouth salivating. Like, it's hot. It is really hot, but it's good. It's an addictingly good, guys. Thanks a million, Peril Hotsauce, for sending me this. Really good flavors. This one's super spicy. The other one, perfect for everybody. It goes on anything and everything. You guys have a super amazing day. Thanks for watching. Bye.